Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into a classic comfort food that's a must-have at any dinner table: creamy garlic mashed potatoes. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you'll never want to go back to instant mashed potatoes again. So, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our delicious recipes. Now, let's check out the ingredients. For this creamy garlic mashed potatoes recipe, you'll need 4 large potatoes, peeled and diced, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1/2 cup butter, 1 cup milk, salt and pepper to taste, chopped chives for garnish, optional. Start by peeling and dicing your potatoes. We're using russet potatoes today because they are starchy and perfect for that fluffy texture we want in mashed potatoes. Now, place your diced potatoes into a pot, cover them with water, and add a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, and let it cook until the potatoes are fork tender. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them and set them aside. In a saucepan over low heat, melt the butter and add in the minced garlic. Let it sauté for a couple of minutes until it's fragrant but not browned. Now, pour that delicious garlic butter over your cooked potatoes. This is where the magic happens. Grab your potato masher, and start mashing those potatoes. The butter and garlic will infuse into every bite, giving you that incredible flavor. Next, add in the milk gradually as you continue to mash. This will give our mashed potatoes that creamy, dreamy texture. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, you can always adjust the seasoning according to your preference. Give everything a good mix, and there you have it, the creamiest garlic mashed potatoes ever. If you want to take it to the next level, sprinkle some chopped chives on top for a burst of freshness. These mashed potatoes are absolutely irresistible. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!